Alright you guys, well, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Let's talk about Angelwax. So you're still looking at Angelwax, don't know what to order from them. They have so many good products. These products, I would say, start out with, this is a good starter kit. You start out with fast foam. This breaks down all the dirt and debris on your car. It's a pre-wash or pre-foam. Spray it on your vehicle through a foam cannon, let it sit for a few minutes, and you rinse it off. That's it. It's that easy. It foams really good, and it breaks down all the grime. Very good. You could add cleanliness into that mixture if you want, but that's a whole nother video. Shampoo. This is going to be your wash soap. You can put this in a bucket. You can foam it. I just foamed it on there. I mean, the dirt was already gone, so just foam it on there. I got my wash mitts. I soaked them a little bit, and I did a little trick. I put some more foam onto the wash mitts themselves, and this does a fantastic job at washing the vehicle. It comes off very easily. It has good lubrication. So those two soaps right there, very good. Dry your car, and then you have a choice. You have QED or Enigma QED. The Enigma QED has SiO2 in it, which basically means it's going to give it more durability. I just use this time the regular QED. My car has lots of protection on it, so I just need the detail spray regular. Okay, it goes on, comes off. You could use either one. If you want SiO2 and more durability, get the Enigma. Now what I did do with either of these sprays, for me it's like 95 degrees over here right now. So these sprays may streak on you, so I just spray my microfiber towel with a couple spritzes of water, and I go over the panel after I've buffed this off, and any streaking problems are gone. So very simple to use, great shine, excellent products. Finally, Enigma Elixir. This is for your tires. They do have regular Elixir, but since I always want more durability on the tires myself, this is probably one of my favorite. It goes on easy, comes off easy, nice shine. You can double layer this if you want more shine. This is a great tire dressing product, guys. So any of these products would be great for a starter kit. You can order them up. I'll put some links below where you can find them. And thanks for watching.